him. And one day, yung, of course, Saf, kita niya yung sticker and really he did not like it. But I insisted because to me, I said, tsaka even before that. So, all throughout these years, I have contact with him. I have a lot of talk with him. Siya yung second ko in the list. Then, it would be Drilon, Bongbong Marcos, simply because he's my friend. And I promised him that I'd support him. And mabait na tao si Bongbong. Kung makilala mo si Bongbong, mabait na tao. For the life of me, I do not have the list. Maybe later, after sort of a break, I should have one because magagalit yung nasabihan ko nito. Of course, Miriam Defensor. Cayetano, naloko na yung iba. Huwag muna kayo magalit kung nakikinig kayo, ma'am. Sir, I'd retrieve your names in my, somewhere in the, out there sa car. But I have prepared a list of the senatorial candidates Davao, the Hugpong would support this coming